Hi guys, today I'm going to be making for you all some drunken ramen soup or spicy ramen soup, and this recipe was requested by Navita. So Navita, please enjoy. So to make this, we're going to start with a pot, and to that pot we're going to go in with some chili infused coconut oil, a little bit of sesame oil, some minced garlic, and fresh ginger. Now we're going to saute both ingredients until it's very tender and fragrant. Next, I'm going to go in with 4 cups of vegetable stock. Now I'm making this vegetarian because Navita is a vegetarian. Next, I'm going in with some vegetarian stir-fry sauce. If you can't find this and you wanted to use oyster sauce, you can, but remember, oyster sauce is not vegetarian. Go in with some mushroom soy sauce and some seasoning sauce. Chief brand has a seasoning soy sauce. You can use that in place of this. Mix those ingredients, and then we're going to go in with a little bit of sugar. This is going to balance this dish, and 1 hot pepper chopped up finely, or you can use some chili peppers or some bird peppers. Mix, and we want to bring this up to a boil. Once it comes up to a boil, the broth is now ready to be used. So just set it aside for a little, and let's prepare the ramen. So to your boiling water, go in with 1 packet of ramen noodles and boil it shy of al dente. Once it's finished, place it into your serving bowl. Now you want to boil it shy of al dente because the hot broth is going to continue to cook this ramen. Spoon or ladle your hot broth onto that noodles. You see all those pieces of pepper in there. This is what's going to make this dish taste absolutely delicious. It's a very spicy dish, so it's great for a hangover. And next, we're going to top it with some vegetables. So I'm going in with some chopped onions, chopped tomatoes, bell peppers, mushrooms, scallions, and I'm finishing with some bean sprouts. So Navita and everyone else, I hope you all enjoyed this vegetarian dish. Make it and let me know what you think. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.